Cooking Apa.
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Apa has a very nice snapper fish with me today. I'm going to deep fry and also pour on top some Thai chili sauce. So first of all, you need to prep the fish. Make sure you clean the fish cleanly. Yeah, there's the blood stain in the middle. That is the source of fishiness. So clean it thoroughly and make few slits on the body. Yeah, of the fish, and you can actually marinate with a little bit of fine salt. Then you can prepare your hot oil. You can use any Thai sweet chili sauce that you can find from your local supermarket. Yeah. So what you need to do is to prepare a pot of oil. You can use deeper pan like what I'm using right now, or you can use a wok, right? Then you want to bring the temperature of the oil to at least 100 degrees Celsius and above. That is normally what we call smoking point. So if you don't have a thermometer, you just see whether there's any smoke coming out from the oil itself or not. Not from the wok, but from the oil itself. All right, I've started to see some smoke coming out from the oil itself. Carefully. Put in the fish. Wow, the tail is still can't go into my 28 centimeter deeper pan. I thought can fit the whole fish already. Still cannot. I should have just cut away the tail. Now anyway, the next thing you want to do is don't touch it. Let it stay for at least about 2 minutes before you flip it over to the other side. Yeah, we will come back shortly. So this is after the first 2 minutes. Let me try to okay. Nice, beautiful golden brown color. So I'll give another side at least another 2 minutes before we probably will flip one more round. So this is after another 2 minutes or 2 minutes plus. I'm going to slowly flip it over one last round, and not forgetting we want to cook the edge of the tail a little bit. Let me try to push it slowly. I'm trying to fry the tail right now. But it's basically almost there. Yeah. Now this is after about another 1 minute. Just to cook the tail, I'm going to make one last round. Just to get a more browny color for my fish. This side, beautiful. The other side, I'll give it another 1 minute, then it is done. That's how simple it is to fry the fish. All right. Now we can take the fish out slowly. Actually, I always prefer a steel spatula, but I don't dare to use a steel spatula here. All right, we can put this over a kitchen towel. Yeah. Right. So after the kitchen towel, you move it to your serving plate. And this dish is super easy. I'm just going to pour the Thai chili sauce, sweet chili sauce on top of the fish, and it is done. That's how simple it is to make this dish. You can garnish it with a little bit of fresh coriander. Yeah, I'm run out of fresh coriander today. All right, it's going to taste really good, even though it's so simple. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.